So how do you zoom in Visual Studio? So if you have your editor opened right here in your project and you want to adjust the zoom because the code is looking too big or too small, all you need to do is hold down the left control and scroll with your mouse wheel. So if you scroll up, it will zoom. If you scroll down, it will zoom out. Or what you can do is use this drop down at the bottom right side or left side here, and then you can adjust the percentage of the zoom. So for example, 100% is the default, and then 70% is smaller and 150% is bigger, and that should do the zoom in and zoom out as well. And if you want to change the font size or the UI scaling, you can go to Tools, Options right here, and then you want to look for Environment, or you can expand the Environment tab here, and then you can look for Fonts and Colors, or you can search for it directly, and then you want to click on Fonts and Colors option here, and this should allow you to assign a font and then adjust the font size. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.